Hello everyone, I'm Dave Thomas, and today I'm building the competition payload kit by Aerospace Specialty Products. This is a standardized mass object that is used for payloader competitions. So we'll go ahead and open this up. It's pretty simple here. So we've got a tube that will fit inside a BT-20 tube, and then it's got two bulkheads, one of which is currently stuck. There we go. And then just a packet of sand that will be used to adjust the weight. Now it's a good idea to have a gram scale here, something like this one. Okay, so let's just open up. The instructions here are pretty quick. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is simply glue one of these bulkheads into the tube here. Just make sure it's fitting to begin with. Alright, then we're going to take a little bit of wood glue here, and I'm going to make a bead of glue right inside here. Okay, and then we'll simply take one of those bulkheads, slide it in, and just press it down. And now we have to let this dry. And we want it to dry fully so that the sand doesn't stick to it as we're trying to adjust the weight. The glue on my little bulkhead here is dry. And so now I'm going to put everything on the scale here. Right, and our target is 28 grams. So we want to get as close to that as we can. And that's going to include the bulkhead itself there. And then the sand that we put in. So I'm going to start by putting in all of the sand. And if you don't have a scale like this, this is what the instructions say to do, is just use everything. Alright, but you can see here that's actually quite a bit more. And so now I'm going to take some of that out. And the other thing here is that the minimum size the payload can be is 60 millimeters. This one's 70. And so if you get the sand out and you think you have enough room, you can actually cut this back a centimeter. That's also going to lighten it. So make sure you've got enough room to add a little bit more sand after you cut it off, if you're going to do that. Okay, that's really close. Let's see if we can get it right on there. Now we'll add a very small amount of mass when we glue the other bulkhead on. Okay. Let's put a little back in there. I'm going to go with that. Okay. So once you have that, then we'll glue the bulkhead on here. Okay, pretty much the same way we did with the other one. We'll just run a bead of glue here right along the edge. Now do make sure that you've got a full bead so we don't start leaking sand. Okay, and then we're going to put that bulkhead on there. And now carefully, we don't want the sand to knock it all out. Alright, we'll press that down. Alright, we'll check our weight again here. Alright, so that puts us right about 28 grams, which is what we want. Okay, so once this is the glue on this is completely dry, you can go ahead and fly this for your payload competitions. All right, this is a pretty easy build, not really a rocket as such, but please stay tuned for more of my videos.